This here is the Fdny Medical Evacuation Transportation Unit, and I'm doing a mini walk around on the outside. It's a very large bus for major evacuations and overweight people that need transportation and can't go in a regular ambulance like that. But I'm going to do a little mini walk around on the inside so you guys can take a peek. Okay. Let me go inside. Be right back. Inside of the Fdny Medical Evacuation Transportation Unit. Some mass evacuations and people that are very heavy. It has a lot of space to carry a lot of people in certain situations. Large scale emergency evacuations and such. I'll do a little clip of the outside. Yeah, so there you have that. Okay.